What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2008. It's a Smart Fortwo, and we're gonna program the key because they lost all the keys. So on this car I'm gonna program the key, and I replace the ignition switch for this. So I'm just gonna show you really quick that we have the anti-theft on, and if I try to crank it, we get the message that it's not programmed. So we're gonna program this key, use key, but it's a all lost key situation. It doesn't matter if it's new or used. You apply the same way, and make sure it's unlocked, this key, because usually when you program the key it locks to the car. So this key is virgin, and we're gonna program it today. And for that we're gonna be using the EM608. Gonna get a better view here, and we're gonna select the immobilizer. We're gonna press accept, and we're gonna select our card, and by that it's gonna detect the VIN number automatically. Alright, so I have my data pre-selected here. We have the VIN number, the model, and we press OK. We select yes. We're gonna go to diagnosis, and for this, instead of going to the immobilizer, we're gonna go to the body control, because it's gonna be right here. What is it? Where is it? Restraints to the SAM control module, and we're gonna select control unit adaptations, and we're gonna select this one, program key transponder. We're gonna program the key transponder. We're gonna program the key. The ignition is on, and we're gonna wait. Come on. Okay, it says insert the key to be programmed into the ignition, and we're gonna press F2 to operate. Number of keys. Turn off the ignition, and then the ignition on again, and we should see this already programmed, and we press yes and start. So remove that key from the ignition, insert the key to be taught into ignition, and press ignition on again. We press F3. Learning in process. So it's learning the key. Come on. And we see the key is already programmed, so we're gonna start it again, and we see we have ignition. All right, so I think the process it's done. So this is how you program all keys lost for a 2008 Smart Fortwo. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.